Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to tie a cowboy's lasso. This will be an easy string tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have this strand of rope right here, and I'm going to turn the camera onto this area right over here, and I'm going to show you how to tie the cowboy's lasso really easily, okay? So as you can see right here, we have this strand of rope. We want to go to one side over here, and we're going to go around, I'd say 60 centimeters from the end, give or take, okay? And right over here, we're going to actually tie an overhand knot. So we're just going to do an overhand loop like that, and then feed this other end through, just like that, and that forms this overhand knot, okay? Now we're going to leave this nice and loose, this knot over here, and we're going to go back to this original side right over here. Once again, we have the loose knot over here. Now we're going to go to the original side. And on the original side over here, we're going to tie a nice tight overhand knot. So just like this, overhand loop, bring the end through, and then nice and tightly, we have our nice and tight overhand knot. So we have a loose overhand knot and a tight overhand knot. Now what we're going to do now is take this end, and we're going to feed it through, feed the tight overhand knot through the loose overhand knot from the opposite direction. So you can see this strand is coming out from here, so we're going to go from this way. Bring it through just like that, okay? Once your tight overhand knot is through, you're going to tighten up this loose overhand knot just like this, okay? Oh, and as you can see right here, we've now created a nice secure loop, okay? And the length that we left, around 60 centimeters, is what determines roughly how long this would be. You can make it longer or shorter. Obviously, there's some length with the knot, and obviously I was just estimating, but you can make this bigger or smaller. Now, the cowboy's lasso is not complete yet, though. What we need to do is take this right here. We're going to get the other end, okay? So this is the rest of the rope. We're going to bunch it up like this, fold it over like this, bring it through here, and as you can see right here, we have a cowboy's lasso. As you can see, this is the lasso part because we can make it bigger, okay? Or we can make it smaller. This is the secure loop, and just, you know, it allows you to lasso just like that. Really, really easy, really effective. That's it. Very simple tutorial for making a cowboy's lasso. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.